Hello, this is the part 2 of lecture number 7. I am Sanjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Now we will discuss some properties of a ring. These are very important. If R is a ring with ring, then for all A, B, say belongs to R, A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. A within bracket minus B is equal to minus AB is equal to minus A into B. Minus A into minus B is equal to AB. A into minus B minus C is equal to AB minus AC, and B minus C into A is equal to BA minus CA. So A into 0 can be written as A into within bracket 0 plus 0, that is A0 into 0 plus A into 0. So we can write the left hand side as 0 plus A0 is equal to A0 into A0. So applying the left cancellation law, we can say that R is a group with respect to addition. Therefore, applying the right cancellation law for addition, we will get, right cancellation law, we get 0 is equal to A0. Similarly, we can have 0 into A can be written as 0 plus 0 into A, and applying the left cancellation law, we get 0 is equal to 0 into A. Number 2, we have A minus B plus B can be written as A into 0. Now A minus B plus AB is equal to 0. So A minus B can be written as minus AB. Since in a ring A plus B equal to 0 implies A is equal to minus B. Similarly, we can have minus A plus A into B is equal to 0B, and we get minus A into B plus AB equal to 0. That means minus A into B is equal to minus AB. Because in a ring, if A plus B equal to 0, then A is equal to minus B. Next, third one, minus A into minus B can be written as, according to the previous one, minus A into B, and minus AB can be written as plus AB. Since R is a group with respect to addition, and in a group we have minus of minus A is equal to A. The fourth one, A into B minus C, can be written as A into B plus minus C, and AB plus A minus C, which can be written as AB minus AC. Similarly, we can write it as B minus C into A is equal to BA minus CA. Now, integral multiple of a ring, of the element of a ring, can be written as M into A plus B is equal to MA plus MB for every AB belongs to R. Now, example of ring. The set R consisting of a single element 0 with two binary operation 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and 0 into 0 equal to 0 is a ring. Thus, this ring is called the null ring or the zero ring. So a ring with single element 0 which satisfied 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 into 0 equal to 0 is a example of a null ring. Now the set I of all integers is a ring with respect to addition and multiplication of integer, as the two ring composition addition, and this is called the ring of integers. Um, uh, As in a group, we proved that I is an abelian group with respect to addition of integer. We know I is an abelian group with respect to addition. Further, we observed that the product of two integer is also integer. Therefore, I is closed with respect to multiplication of integer. Multiplication of integer is an associative composition. Next, multiplication of integer is distributed with respect to addition of integer. Therefore, I is a ring with respect to addition and multiplication of integer. The integer 0, that is 0 element of the ring. Also, the multiplicative identity exists and it is the integer 1. We have 1 into a is equal to a into I for every a belongs to I. Thus, the ring of integer is a ring with unity. The integer I is integer 1 is the unit element of this ring. The multiplication of the integer is a commutative composition, therefore it is also a commutative ring. Therefore, the set of integer is a commutative ring with unity, is an example of commutative ring with unity. And you students also find the set Q of rational number is a commutative ring with unity, and the set R of real numbers is also a commutative ring with unity, and the set C of complex number is a commutative ring with unity. You have done this for commutative group. So here in ring you are to confirm more two postulates, and then it will become a ring, and then ring with unit element is a unit ring with unity, and if it follows the commutative law, it will be a commutative ring. So I have given one example, so please do your homework. It is given the set R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a commutative ring with respect to addition modulo 6 and multiplication 6 as the two ring composition. So today this much only. Thank you.